Okay, so guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can download Chrome in brand new Windows 11. So what you have to do is you have to open Edge because it is the default installed browser in your Windows 11. So just go to search bar and type Chrome there. When you type Chrome there, then you'll see the link which is called Chrome for desktop. Go to that. As you guys can see, this is the link to download Chrome. Just click on that. When you click on that, it will load for some time. Then it will download the Chrome setup for you. Click on the setup. When you click on the setup, click on yes. It will initialize, then it will connect to the internet, then it will start downloading, guys. It will do everything on its own. You don't have to do anything. You can just close the Edge browser now and delete it because we don't need it anymore because we are installing Chrome. Right now it is installing. It will download it and it will install it in your PC, and it will also set up all the things which is needed to make the browser running, guys. So yeah, you just have to wait. As you guys can see, it is installed and now the Chrome is running. You can just sign in or you can use it without sign in too, as you guys can see. So we need dark mode for that, so we can just go to settings, then type dark here. When we type dark here, then we'll see the mode and it will be dark if we want. So as you guys can see, now Chrome is running, and this is how you install Chrome.